Hey, welcome to Wheelie Detailers. My name is Martin, and in this video we're going to talk about tire pressure. Welcome in my car. This is my daily driver. I also like to call my car the living room because I've got wood here. I've got leather here, or vegan leather as Elon calls it. I can charge my phone. Here's the TV, and this is the windows where I can see the street. So this is why I call my car the living room. When I hopped in my car, I saw this indicator here, and that could have something to do with a flat tire, but it isn't. Or it could also have something to do with colder temperatures.
Hey, your wheels ain't rolling! Hey, your wheels ain't rolling! Oh, you just gotta keep on driving.
So it's November now, temperatures are getting lower, and with that, also the pressure in your tires will get lower. So it's always a good moment when the seasons are changing to check your tire pressure, because equal tire pressure is much safer to drive and it also drives much better. And for the tire pressure, Chris bought a new tool, the Powerhand portable tire inflator. Of course, with this situation on my dashboard, I want to give this one a go. So let's first check what's happening. So normally my tire pressure is 2.9 bar. For some unknown reason, the right rear is 2.6 bars. Let's check it out how this works. So the Powerhand portable tire inflator. Let's first unbox and see what we got. Very well packed. Here, foam to protect it. Here we go. Has a protector also over the screen. It's not only a tire inflator, it's also a flashing light. So if you press on the button here, see the flashing light, and if I press it again, it turns red and it indicates a warning sign or a faster warning sign. And it's out again. So now it's on bar. And if I press it again, it goes on PSI for a car, PSI for a motorcycle, PSI for a bicycle, and PSI for a ball. Here in Europe, we work on bar. Now I want to set the bar to 2.9 bars for my car. Press it a couple of times. Here we go. For a car you don't need it, but there's also extra at the bottom of the product. An air needle, probably for basketball, an air nozzle, and a pressure valve for your racing bicycle, mountain bike, other bicycle. For the car we don't need them, so we cannot place them back at the bottom of the machine. Here is a flap, and they fit in perfectly here. And you also see where you can put in the USB-A or C cable to charge it. Close the flap, attach the hole, this one. You need to give it a little bit of pressure to mount it correctly. Then I'll open the valve here, twist off the ventile cap, switch it on, and now close it by doing this. Now we're gonna enable it. Well, make sure the setting is on 2.9, and then press here and then start to inflate it. Now, when it's disabling itself, then you're on the 2.9 bar. So now we're gonna open this one here, the valve, twist on the cap. So it's already on 2.8 bars now. So indicator is off, so pretty good here. 2 thumbs up. So let's jump to the conclusion. So the Powerhand portable tire inflator. You saw the function. It's super easy to enable it and to set it up. It's got more functions than only for the tire. You can also use it for the flashing light. And you can also use it as a power bank for the extra outlet here at the bottom. Super easy to enable, to choose the modes which you want to use, bar or PSI. And then set it with minus and plus to the correct tire pressure setting. And then it's clicking it on the ventile, the wheel, and yeah, start to inflate it. That's pretty much how it works. Comes complete with a storage bag, charging hose with a inflation hose and connector, a charging cable, and a manual. Like I said, I think in every detailer's arsenal, this is a super handy tool to have. You can find them at carcare24.eu. If you got some questions, write them here below. So if you're interested in more tools that can help you in your winter detailing / car storage, then click on the pop-up banner and you may find that one interesting as well. Thank you everybody for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.